In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the timeline in Google Maps. So here's how you do it. So first of all, just click on the top right hand corner and click on your timeline. It says going back in time, but it has no saving record visits and routes that you have done recently. That's because the timeline feature is off. As you can see on your top right hand corner, just click on this timeline is off. Log into your account, and once you log in here, it says timeline. Just turn this on and just read through or scroll through all of this and click on turn on. Now once the settings is turned on, you need to go back, and now you can click on your timeline. The timeline is on and it will feed all the locations that you've visited. You can keep the notes of it. So if I click on the bottom right hand corner, you can see this little pencil icon. You can add the visits of different locations directly in here. So you can search for the place. For example, let me just go back, add a visit. Let's say Dominion Mall. You can just keep the note of it, click done and click on turn on. So basically it is very useful to keep the memories of different areas wherever you have visited. So for example, I have set the location with add a place, and start time, end time, you can save that. So not only you can keep the note of it, you can keep the mark of those locations as well. So let's say on a particular day you have visited different places and you find those very interesting. Instead of saving the location on WhatsApp, you can directly save it on your maps. So just click on that location and you can see the place. And you can even follow the directions towards that point if you found that interesting, and that is a very interesting feature. We also do have add a note, delete day, edit day option. So, but the most useful is add a note and add a visit place. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.